Hi everyone, it's Serenity with LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured vehicle is a custom-built 2022 Chevy Suburban LT 4x4. The 2022 Suburban was named Best Large SUV for Families by US News and World Reports for 2 years in a row. This one features a powerful 5.3-liter motor, 10-speed automatic transmission, along with front and rear independent suspension for an amazingly smooth ride. Our lift technician Daniel installed a 6-inch suspension lift, 20-inch fuel contra wheels, and 35-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires to give this SUV superior off-road performance and exceptional style. It also features luxurious leather interior, middle and third row seats, a large touchscreen, moonroof, and enough cargo space for the whole family. Right now, we have over 600 trucks and SUVs to choose from. For more information on this vehicle or any others, please give us a call at 833-640-2740 or log on to liftedtrucks.com.